Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain how to download APK on a Samsung Smart TV. Let's begin. On Samsung Smart TVs made by Samsung Electronics, you cannot download or install APK files. Here's why. APK files are made only for the Android operating system, which is developed by Google. Samsung Smart TV do not run Android. They run Samsung's own operating system called Tizen. Because of this, APK apps are simply not compatible with Samsung Smart TVs. So even if you open the browser on your TV and download an APK file, you still cannot install it. There is no setting, no developer option, and no official method to install APK apps on Samsung Smart TV. Now let me tell you what actually works. If you want to use Android apps on your Samsung TV, the correct way is to use an external Android device. You can connect an Android TV box, a Fire TV stick, or any Android-based streaming device to your TV using HDMI. Once you do that, you can install APK files on that external device, not on the Samsung TV itself. Another simple option is screencasting. You can install the app on your phone or Android tablet and mirror the screen to your Samsung TV to view it. But again, the app will still run on your phone, not on the TV. So remember this clearly. Downloading APK directly on Samsung Smart TV is not supported. Thanks for watching.